Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the auto sync attachments function, meaning that you are going to synchronize all pages with attachments automatically for offline usage on the Microsoft OneNote application. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your home page, and after that tap on the profile icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on settings, which is the last option. After that, go to the settings section and click on the third option, sync. Here, as you can see, you need to click on this auto sync attachments function, thereby turning it on. So you are going to synchronize all pages with attachments for offline usage. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.